How to see FIFA World Cup in mobile. Want to stream the World Cup on your phone? Here are the best apps to watch live matches and highlights. So, first app that you have is YouTube TV. In the US, YouTube TV streams Fox, FS1, Telemundo, and Universo. New users get up to 21 days free. The second app would be Fox Sports. Fox Sports covers English broadcasts. So you can go ahead and search that on the browser and go ahead and proceed on watching it. Third would be Telemundo apps. So while Telemundo Deportes streams in Spanish, both of these apps work on iOS and Android. Fourth would be Peacock. So Peacock Premium offers affordable Spanish coverage at $5.99 per month, perfect for mobile streaming. And lastly would be the FIFA Plus app. Worldwide FIFA Plus gives free highlights and replays. For full coverage, use YouTube TV. For free highlights, use FIFA Plus.